Hello everyone, this is Rachel. Nice to meet you. I'm very happy to introduce my company to you. Have a nice time. Let's go. Our factory is located in Tongqin Industrial Zone, Wuyi, Zhejiang, China. We are BSCI factory and have a direct license farmer by Disney company. This is our photos wall, other photos with customers and the partners. Recorded the wonderful memories with customers and the growth of our team at Hong Kong Fair, at Las Vegas Fair. I hope I have the opportunity to cooperate with you. Our certificates BSCI for every year and the direct license farmer by Disney company for 3 years. And this is our sales team. Say hello, everybody.
Hello, Bruce.
Hello, this is Monica.
Hello, Ellen.
开始。
Hello, Kitty.
Hello, Lily.
Let me show you what the cup is making. Raw material PP, AS, PS, Triton, biodegradable, and mold out. We have the OPP bags to protect every semi-finished cup. Bottle mold out and the drying, color heating, the bottle blowing, and the bottle complete. Custom logo printing. This is a part of silk screen boards we have made in the. This is our silk screen printing machine. We are making example production, OEM, ink color, and hand making. Packaging details according to your requirements. Let me show you the packaging line to complete the finished product. To our example, plastic cup series, stainless steel cup series. So many cups for you to choose. If you like the new design, we can make the mold for you. Thanks for your support. Click the QR code below. More cups for you to choose. Thanks. Have a good time.